Secure document storage is important in the information age. With large volumes of both physical and digital information being processed on a daily basis, your business needs a seamless document solution to manage and securely protect sensitive information. While storing documents on site may seem feasible at first, overhead costs, occupational safety hazards, environmental factors, and security vulnerabilities can soon pose threats. And without the proper archiving systems in place, the retrieval of important files in time-critical situations can be costly. That's why our customers use Recall. When it comes to finding secure and cost-effective solutions for managing your documents, you need a name you can trust. We're a global network of secure document and record storage facilities spanning 5 continents and over 20 countries. We offer impenetrable protection. Our processes are carried out with full adherence to industry and government regulations from the moment we come into contact with your records. Improved efficiency. With secure off-site storage, our solutions will reduce overheads and unwanted clutter. Trust and integrity. Recall owns and operates sites across the country. Providing national coverage means easy and quick accessibility for all our customers. Transparency. With our unique Request web inventory management system, you'll have access to the location and the status of your records for complete peace of mind. To learn more about securely managing your information, call 13 Recall or register your interest with our online form. Recall. Your information securely managed.